Most people freeze when they see two variables and no clear equation, 4 m and n. But with the right identity, this becomes one-line problem. So let's start with today's video solution. So m square minus n square is 9. So I'm going to use the identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it is m plus n times m minus n, which is equals to 9. Or now if I'll do squaring both sides, so m plus n times m minus n whole square is equals to 9 square. Now here I'm going to use a separate formula of m plus n whole square, and m minus n whole square, which is equals to 9 square is 81. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to 81. Now m square plus 2 times mn is given, that is 3. So 2 times 3 plus n square. And here m square minus 2 times 3 plus n square is equals to 81. So m square plus 6 plus n square. M square minus 6 plus n square is equals to 81. Now we can write m square plus n square plus 6 and m square plus n square minus 6 is equals to 81. If I'll take m square plus n square as a and 6 as b, so it becomes a plus b times a minus b is equals to 81. So we can say that m square plus n square whole square minus 6 square is equals to 81. If we write a square minus b square in terms of that, so m square plus n square whole square is equals to 81 minus 6 goes to other side plus 6 and 6 square is 36. So m square plus n square whole square is equals to 117, which is equals to 3 plus minus 3 root 13. Now m plus n whole square is equals to, we know that m square plus n square plus 2mn. So m plus n whole square is equals to m square plus n square is 3 root 3 and 2mn is 6 because mn is 3, so 3 times 2 is 6. So it is 6 plus minus 3 root 3. Now m plus n is, if we do square both sides, so square root 6 plus minus 3 root 3. What looks like two unknowns is actually one expression away from the answer. So m plus n is under root 6 plus minus 3 root 3. Elegant, right? So stick with me for more problems like that looks like tough but crack beautifully with identities. Thank you so much for watching this video.